production process can seem a bit confusing if you're new to publishing, and even if you've worked with us or other publishers previously, the industry is continually evolving and different companies operate in slightly different ways. So we want to take a couple of minutes to talk you through it.
Once you're happy with your manuscript and have gone through the submission checklist, you'll send it to your editorial assistant. They will check it over and make sure everything is in place and final before sending it onto our production department.
While you might have mostly heard the names Routledge or CRC Press up to this point, you may hear several other company names in connection with your book during the production process, such as Informa and Taylor & Francis. This is because Routledge and CRC are imprints of Taylor & Francis, and Taylor & Francis is part of the Informa group. In essence, the production process transforms your manuscript into a book. Every book goes through several stages to reach the point where it's ready for publication. First of all, a production editor here at Taylor & Francis is assigned.
Your production editor will familiarise themselves with your manuscript and will work with a range of professional freelancers and out-of-house project managers who have all undergone a rigorous selection process and have experience of working with other major publishers. There will always be a production editor at Taylor & Francis connected with your book behind the scenes, even if your project manager is your main point of contact during the production process. Next, the production editor or project manager selects a suitable copy editor.
You will doubtless have read your manuscript multiple times, but every book benefits from a fresh pair of eyes to check the finer details. Your copy editor will check for consistency of referencing style, correct spelling, grammatical and typographical errors, and will refer any more significant issues to you. As author, you are the subject expert, and this is your book, so the copy editor will do their best to retain your style. Once the copy editor has read through the manuscript, they will send it to you with changes highlighted so you can ensure you're happy with the edits. The copy editor will then return the copy-edited manuscript to the production editor or project manager, who prepares it for the typesetter.
The typesetter uses specialist design software to flow your manuscript into the design template that has been chosen for your book. As part of this process, they will also add digital functionality and ensure the metadata is working properly for discoverability. The typesetter will then produce a set of proofs for you to review.
Your proofs will be sent to you digitally. This is the moment when you get to see what your book will actually look like. You'll be asked to mark up any essential corrections on screen. Either your production editor or your project manager will send you instructions on how to do this. If you're creating the index for your book, this will be the point at which you're asked to do that. Or, if you've requested that we hire a freelance indexer, they will compile an appropriate index for your book from the proofs, which will then be sent to you for approval. The index and any final amendments are added to the proofs, and your production editor checks over a final set of files before handing them over to our manufacturing teams.
The final files are then sent to print before they are shipped to retailers, wholesalers, and library suppliers across the globe. They are also distributed to a range of ebook platforms. Your manuscript has completed its transformation into a finished book and now will be available to readers worldwide. Thanks for watching. You can find more information in the author guidelines on our website.